Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something we all care deeply about, our energy levels. We're unpacking some fascinating insights from Prime IV Hydration and Wellness to see exactly how cellular hydration, along with some very specific nutrients, might literally be the key to unlocking sustained vitality. If you are exhausted by relying on quick fixes, well, you're in exactly the right place. So let's talk about a universally relatable problem. We've all been there, right? You get a solid 8 hours of sleep, but you still wake up feeling completely drained. You try to rest, you take it easy, but that heavy exhaustion just won't budge. According to the clinical wellness approach we're looking at today, when basic rest fails you, the culprit usually isn't just a lack of sleep. It actually points straight to a complex physiological issue deep inside your cellular metabolism. For decades, our absolute go-to for feeling sluggish has been, reaching for a giant cup of coffee or an energy drink? But there is a massive difference between just masking your symptoms with a temporary jittery caffeine spike and taking a biological approach focused on actual cellular restoration. Modern clinical wellness is all about targeting the microscopic engines of the human body, instead of just forcing your heart rate to spike for a couple of hours.
Section 1. The root of fatigue. Okay. It all starts right here with mitochondria. The source material explains that these incredibly sensitive little organelles act as the literal engines of your body. Inside almost every single human cell, these microscopic powerhouses are constantly buzzing, taking the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and converting it all into usable energy. Honestly, true, sustained vitality depends entirely on whether these tiny cellular engines are actually working properly. And what exactly are those engines pumping out? It's ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. You can kind of think of ATP as the primary energy currency, the pure premium fuel of the human body. When your cells have plenty of ATP, everything just works. Your skeletal muscles contract with endurance, your brain processes information lightning fast, and your internal organs seamlessly maintain their perfect, healthy balance. But here's the catch. Those engines are incredibly sensitive. Things like environmental stressors, a poor diet, not getting enough sleep, and, just natural biological aging, all of that causes a steady decline in how well your mitochondria function. Plus, every time they make ATP, they produce free radicals. Over time, the oxidative stress from those free radicals actually damages the mitochondrial membrane. That degradation leads to a systemic drop in your ATP fuel. Physically, you experience that drop as persistent brain fog, lethargy, or just overall muscle soreness. Section 2. NAD+ decline and NIAGEN. So that brings us to a really critical coenzyme called NAD+. It is absolutely vital. It basically functions as a cellular transporter, helping to create ATP and even repair your DNA. But here is the biological gut punch. Natural NAD+ levels plummet. Significantly drop off as we transition from our 20s into our 50s and beyond. And this drastic reduction is directly linked to metabolic stress and the overall slowing down of your biological functions. To combat this age-related decline, the source material points to NIAGEN as a targeted science-backed solution. NIAGEN is a patented form of nicotinamide riboside. Essentially, it acts as a highly efficient precursor. What that means is it delivers the exact raw materials your body needs to synthesize its very own NAD+. It safely bumps up those levels without causing that uncomfortable, hot skin-flushing feeling you often get with traditional niacin supplements. And, according to the cited clinical research, when you reliably elevate your systemic NAD+ levels, you're effectively bypassing those metabolic bottlenecks. Your cells literally regain their ability to produce ATP efficiently. The result? A measurable return of physical stamina and mental clarity. It's basically allowing your cellular engines to fire at full capacity once again. Section 3. The IV delivery advantage. Now, figuring out the right nutrients is really only half the battle. Efficiently getting them into your body is the whole other half. Most of us rely on popping oral capsules to boost our energy, but the clinic's data points out a major flaw with that. Oral supplements have to travel through the incredibly harsh environment of your digestive tract and then get heavily filtered by the liver. That whole process destroys a massive amount of the active ingredients. On the flip side, intravenous drip therapy completely bypasses your stomach and GI tract, delivering fluids and coenzymes directly and smoothly right into your bloodstream. The contrast in absorption rates here is pretty wild. With traditional oral supplements, you're maybe getting around 30% bioavailability on a good day. Even a direct intramuscular injection usually tops out around 80%. But the data shows that advanced IV drip therapy provides literally 100% bioavailability. That means you're getting maximum cellular impact and immediate effects, without waiting around for digestion. And beyond just delivering specialized coenzymes like NIAGEN, this method offers a huge foundational benefit: systemic hydration. The source notes something crazy. Most adults are actually walking around operating in a chronic state of mild dehydration. By delivering sterile isotonic fluids straight into the vascular system, IV therapy instantly expands your blood volume. This ensures freshly oxygenated blood and all those therapeutic compounds rapidly reach the furthest extremities of your body. Section 4. Customizing your wellness plan. So how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, the clinic's approach follows a very precise protocol, definitely not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. It kicks off with a thorough medical consultation and vital sign check to build a completely custom vitamin blend, one that is tailored to your exact biological needs. Then you just relax while the IV safely delivers those tailored nutrients straight into your bloodstream. And who really benefits from all this? The source points out that these targeted hydration and NAD+ protocols give unique biological support no matter what decade of life you're in. If you're in your 20s or 30s, it's really all about athletic recovery and bouncing back from high-stress professional demands. Once you hit your 40s and 50s, the strategy shifts to combating those natural, sneaky metabolic slowdowns. And for folks in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, it becomes a crucial tool for maintaining active mobility, preserving independence, and actively delaying age-related fatigue. Because when those cellular engines are finally running smoothly, the source notes some pretty amazing cascading benefits throughout your entire body. Your immune cells suddenly have the massive amounts of ATP they need to quickly spot and neutralize pathogens. And if you're active, you'll likely see your post-exercise recovery times drop dramatically as your body clears out lactic acid and rebuilds torn muscle fibers way more efficiently. Now, a quick but important note. While this explainer covers the clinic's stated science-backed benefits of cellular hydration and NAD+ precursors, we do need to mention the medical disclaimer. These specific services haven't been evaluated by the FDA, and they aren't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a medical professional about your own specific health status before diving into any new therapy program. We'll leave you with this final thought. In a world that is constantly demanding more and more of our energy, it's so easy to just fall back on temporary fixes. But if your cellular engines are quite literally running on empty, is it time to finally look past that extra cup of coffee? Maybe understanding and addressing your microscopic biology is the real secret to unlocking your macroscopic energy. Thanks for tuning into this explainer, and definitely keep exploring the fascinating science of your own vitality.